Well, it's my daughter's actually. She's been having some hard time starting it lately. Right now it's on the off position. It's been like a minute since I turned it off, and I was checking the pressure. I know I don't have a gauge or anything, but like right here, when we press this, nothing comes out. Right now it's on the off position. I'm gonna put it on the on, and I hear the pump running, the fuel pump, for like 5 seconds or so, then it shuts off. But then there we go. Okay, the pump is off now. It should be pressurized. The system should be pressurized now. And this is what happens. Nothing. No fuel coming out. It's supposed to be already pressured. Turn it off. Now, I can hear the pump going on again. There we go. Once it's on, it won't turn off or anything. It'll run, it will not hesitate. No problems at all. It's only hard to start. But while it's running, now we get the pressure, you know. So I don't know if it's actually a fuel pump issue, like the fuel pump not working, or the system losing pressure as soon as you shut it off. Because as you can see there was pressure in the system right now. But if I turn it off, okay, there it's off. I go back to check the pressure. And nothing. There's nothing there. So, any suggestions? Let me know, please. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm thinking it's the fuel pump, but I just don't want to throw in parts that I wouldn't have to. Thanks for your help.